Imagine walking into your office and everyone's gone. Desks are empty, lights are off, but somehow reports are being written, emails are being sent, meetings are happening. Who's running it all? Not people. It's an AI employee. Marblism AI. Marblism isn't just another chatbot or productivity tool. It's being trained to actually work like a team member, coding, writing, designing, even running marketing campaigns. And it never sleeps, never complains, and never needs a paycheck. Now, here's where it gets wild. Startups have already begun replacing entire departments with Marblism AI teams. In one pilot, a digital agency cut costs by 70%, and clients didn't even notice humans were gone. Marblism calls itself an autonomous workforce. It plans, decides, and executes tasks through a network of micro AIs that collaborate like human teams. Think of it as giving a company brain, hands, and memory, all in code. The dark twist, though, is this. What would happen if one AI worker could perform the tasks of 10 people? Are people replaced or promoted? According to some, this revolution will allow us to concentrate on strategy and creativity. Others worry that it marks the start of widespread unemployment, particularly in knowledge-based jobs that were previously believed to be safe from automation. So, is Marblism AI just the next step in innovation or the end of traditional work as we know it? Comment your take below, and if you want to see what it looks like actually working, I'll show you in my next video. Don't miss it.